From a safety standpoint, this is going to be one of the best things that you can do for your Tesla. Stick around, my Automotive Fanatic family. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get this installed. What is happening, Automotive Fanatics? It's Peter, your Automotive Fanatic, coming at you once again with another DIY on the Tesla. Earlier I had alluded to one of the best safety things that you can do for the Tesla, and what we are going to do is we're going to install a pair of wide angle mirrors onto the Model Y. In a nutshell, what this does is it creates a wider field of view both on your driver's side and on your passenger side, so that it covers more of the blind spots so that you do not have any type of blind spot issues where someone comes up to you and you're unable to see them. The process in itself is very easy. You essentially have to remove your OEM mirror, you put this on, hook up your connections that works for the controls on this mirror, and you're pretty much good to go. However, the challenge is actually getting that mirror off. I have done this a few times on different cars, and it can be a little stressful because some people have indicated during the process of removing or trying to remove that mirror, they essentially snap the mirror in half. So I'll show you how to safely do it on the Model Y. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this TParts wide angle mirror replacement for the Model Y. Here we have the driver's mirror, and before you do anything, I recommend that you create a new profile in your driver's setting. Set the mirrors to essentially point as far out as possible, both on the driver's side and the passenger side, so that you can get your fingers in here. Put some gloves on if you can, and what you're going to do is you're going to put your fingers in the cap here and just really carefully kind of pry out, just like that. You heard it pop, and then you'll see that it came right off. Here's the ring that attaches to all this here, and you're going to see a total of 1, 2, 3 different connections. Go ahead and disconnect those real quick. We have taken off the original mirror, which is right here, and this is going to be the aftermarket one. Now if you take a look, this is the original mirror cap of the Tesla, and you can tell it's very flat. If you take a look at this one here, you can see there is a slight bow to it, and this is what helps give you that illusion of a wider field of view, because again, it's slightly bowed. There's going to be 2 connections back here that you will need to connect. This is the Tesla's setup here. Now this white one right here is not available on the TParts, and I asked TParts directly, is there going to be any issues? This is actually going to be your, from what they told me, this connection here is essentially your auto dim feature on the outside mirrors. Now frankly, it doesn't bother me too much, but it might bother you guys if you want your exterior mirrors to auto dim. Because my front windows are tinted, that auto dimming is going to make the mirror essentially way too dark to even see. So it really makes no difference to me if I connect this or not. But again, full disclosure to you guys, If your windows are not tinted, you will be able to see the auto dim feature on the OEM one, but you will not be able to see it on the TParts. So take that under consideration as to whether you want to make the change or not. So again, here's the backing. You're just gonna pop this right on, and let me see if I can show you guys the difference. We're just gonna hold it up here. You can see, I'm gonna put my camera right there so you guys can see right there. And we're gonna do the same look, and you're going to essentially see more of the field. So let's go right there. It's a little blurry because I have the saran wrap, but see, you can, in this one here, you can see all of the rear window on my car. Where this one, you cannot. You literally have to turn it like this to get it to be seen. So there's definitely an advantage to going with a wide mirrored glass. So we'll go ahead and put that on real quick. Here's the new mirror cap. You can hide this white one if you want. We're going to go ahead and just hook up these here, like such. Okay, both of those are in. You can go ahead and put this white one back here. And what you're going to do is you're essentially going to line this up. Make sure that we got it. Okay, and then you're going to push ideally around that circle. Alright, you guys heard how it essentially popped in. And what we'll go ahead and do is we're going to test it really quick to make sure it swivels and tilts the way it's supposed to. And there you see that it's moving, going up, and going back down, going in, back out. And there you have it, the replacement of the OEM mirror glass with a wide angle mirror. The overall process in itself is not terribly difficult. It's just a little nerve-wracking because you do have to get your fingers behind that glass and slowly kind of pull it towards you until you hear the center of the glass deattach from the main hub that rotates that glass. So just take your time. I've done it several times. I've never had a glass break on me. I had mentioned to you guys that there have been some people that have. It's because they just applied too much force and they were not patient in trying to get it off. But you guys should be able to do it. Just take your time. The overall benefit that you're going to receive with this wide angle mirror is going to be substantial. It's probably one of the best things that you can do for your Tesla to keep you driving safely. Now, I do want to go ahead and let you also know that once you're done, you need to adjust your mirrors the way that they're going to focus as well, because you've got a larger view. It may be pushed in, it might be pushed out, but just do what you can to get it to how you like it. But you do have to redo your mirror setting. And just like that, we are done with another install. Thank you so much, my Automotive Fanatic family, for joining me on another video. I look forward to doing more of these so that you guys can see how simple it is to work on your cars. This is going to be Peter, your Automotive Fanatic, signing off. Until the very next time, my friends.